Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to implement guards in AutoRoute. So guards are used to check whether you can redirect to a specific page or not. So in our case, we have this home page, but we should be able to see this page only when we are logged in. In case we are not logged in, we should be redirected to login page, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the routes folder, we will create a guards folder, and under that we can create a guard. Let's call it auth guard. So this will be a class. After that we have to extend the auto route guard, and we have to override this method. Now here you can add the logic to check whether the user is logged in or not based on token or whatever logic you have. So for our case, we will assume that the user is not logged in, right? So we will say authenticated equal to false. Now, if a user is authenticated, like if user is logged in, we can just say resolver.next, like we allow to access the page. But in the else block, we can redirect the user to login route, right? Now we have partially created our guard. Let's assign this guard to our main route, right? Which is containing all these tabs and all, right? So what we can do, we can say guards, and here we can say auth guard. We can import it. We got a white screen, but we should be able to see login screen. Let's just check the controller. Failed to navigate to login route. Okay, we forgot to add that route in this array. So let's just show that. We can say login route dot page. Okay, now our logic is working fine. But after I click on login, it should redirect me to the home page, like based on the authentication. So let's go to our login page. Now here we can say after we are logged in, like we have successfully logged in using email password. We got the token, we saved in the share preference and everything, right? So after that we can say uh, like we have to notify our guard that we are successfully logged in. So what we can do, we can take a function as a argument in our login page, right? So it will be a void callback, and let's call it as on login. So that we will add that. Okay. Now here it is asking us that parameter. So we can use the shorthand directly. We will just call this resolver.next, right? We can assign that function directly to our on login. And now we can use this function that is provided by the guard. After we successfully log in, we can just call it, right? So let's do a restart. It will redirect to login page. And when we do login, it will take to the home page. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it.